Hello, good morning mga kamemorya. Ngayon po yung ika-18 na araw ng aking journey sa Bible Memorizations. Muli samahan niyo po ako. This time po, nais ko pong i-recite or i-share na rin po kung paano ma-memorize ng mas mabilis yung 6 days of creations of God. So, yung ika-7 day, nagpahinga na po siya. So, 6 days lang po yung kanyang pag-create. So, let's get into it. Umpisahan po natin sa day 1. In day 1, imagine this is a candle. At sindihan po natin yung candle. Ano po yung ating makikita? So, liwanag, of course, light. God created the light in the first day. Then imagine you blow the candle in the dark. So what you can see is darkness all around. So in the first day, He created the light and the dark. Light and darkness He created. So yun po yung day 1. Number 2, imagine this is a scissor. Cut. So, i-cut natin. So, then separates. So, separates yung light, yung sky and on the seas, the oceans beneath. So, in day 2, God created the skies and the ocean. So, yun po yung day 2. So, in day 3, imagine this is yung pong tree, number 3, sound like trees. Puno, mga puno. So, in day 3, God created the trees and the plants. Trees and plants. Trees and plants. He created the land. He created in day 3. He created the land, the trees, and the plants. So yun po yung day 3. Sa day 4 po, imagine po na ito po yung sun. This is his glow. So, in day 4, kinreate niya po yung sun. This is the crescent moon. He created the moon. This is the star. He created the sun, the moon, and the star. Yun po yung day 4. So, tandaan po natin para wag nating makalimutan. So, in day 5, put it like this, and in day 5 we created the birds and the fishes. He created the birds and the fishes in day 5. So in day 6, imagine itong 5 na to, mga animal na naglalakad sa land, beasts of the field, lalakad sila sa land. Then ito yung pinakamahalaga, yung tao na kanreate ng Diyos. In day 6, God created the beasts of the field, the animals that walk in the land, and the man. Tayo po yun, you and me. So, yun po yung day 6 na creation. In day 7, God rested. So, I hope nakuha po natin para hindi po natin para madali po natin ma-retain sa ating memory ang 6 days of creation. Ganun lang pong kadali. Day 1, light and candle to, light and darkness. Day 2, scissors. He divided skies and the oceans. And day 3, Tree means puno, nagtanim, nag-create ng land, nagtanim ng puno, at mga halaman. In day 4 of creation, so moon, star, sun, moon, isipin natin ito yung yung moon na halos 1/4 na lang. Moon and star. In day 5, put it together, birds. Generate niya yung birds and fishes. In day 6, animals walking in the land, and he created a man. So yun lang po. Maraming salamat po. Good morning everyone.